guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Nicole and you're watching Nick Ink Artistry. And we're in a different location. We have a little bit of a different backdrop going on. Let me know in the comments down below, do you like the new backdrop? Do you like the clothing rack? I don't know, I just kind of want to switch it up. 2020, new year, new me. Maybe in the spring we'll move back to the clothing rack, but I don't know, I was getting bored with like my winter clothes, so I don't know. But anyway, I have this beautiful makeup look for you guys today. We're diving into a couple of different palettes, mostly the Frozen 2 and Colourpop collection, the Anna palette, and we are using a little bit of the Kat Von D Alchemist highlighter palette as well on the eyes. I was really inspired by this picture that I found on Pinterest. This look is so beautiful. I loved the color combination. I would never think to put these colors together. This beautiful terracotta orange with the purple and the mint, just something about it is so me just because it's different, but I think it's still pretty wearable. So let me know down below if you would wear this look. But without further ado, let's move right on into this makeup look. Don't forget to like this video down below if you like these kinds of videos. And while you're down there, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday of the week. And I have some great videos coming on up that you're not going to want to miss. So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into this beautiful look. Now I'm definitely going to be grabbing from a couple different palettes today, so we're not going to really focus on one palette. I'm kind of going to be jumping back and forth between different shadows. So use whatever you have in your collection. There's no need to go ahead and buy all the shadows and all the different palettes that I'm using today. My eyes are already primed and set, you know the drill. So now I'm going to be taking a nice orangey transition. It's kind of like a terracotta color. And we're going to be just putting that right into our crease. I'm bringing that a little bit above our crease as well. So however everyone's 2020 resolutions coming along, comment down below what your resolution is and if you're like already following through with it or if it's just gonna take a little bit of a process to get there. I would love to know. Now I really don't even have a resolution. Not that I don't believe in those, I just know that I can't be held accountable for the whole year. Like, I don't know, whenever I've had them in the past, come like April, I'm kind of over it, or I forgot even what I wanted to do and stuff like that. So I'm just not really one to stick with things like that. I mean, the main thing I wanted to focus on was just being more positive this year, which it's only January 8th at the time that I'm filming this, so obviously doing pretty good because we're only 8 days into it. But I'm actually really determined to really stick with it. Once we have that nice and blended on out, I'm going to go ahead and take a nice purple shade. It doesn't have to be really deep or anything. We're just taking this purple on the outer corner. Just tapping it just very lightly so we can go ahead and blend that on out in a little bit. Alright, so I'm just about done with kind of like the main crease and outer corner portion of the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with a really pretty like mint green. Alright, I'm actually going to take a mint green highlight shade. I'm just using the Kat Von D Alchemist palette one. And in the picture, it looks like she cut her crease, but I'm not about that life. So I'm just going to stamp it on with my finger. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in with that purple shade and just kind of blend that right into that green. I love these colors together. I would have never thought to like put them together on my own. Alright, so we're going to move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm going to take that first terracotta shade that we went in with. And now just a tiny bit of that purple just on the outer corners. And I am just going to take a shimmer shadow and just kind of dust that right on top of it, just to kind of amplify it a little bit more. This is just kind of an extra little step that I just want to take. If it wasn't going to work, I'd probably add a glitter, but glitter isn't so much work appropriate. Most of the eyeshadow colors that I went in with today were from the Frozen 2 and Colourpop collection, specifically the Anna palette. I went in with Fearless as the terracotta shade, and then went in with Autumn Breeze, that purple in the outer corner. And then once again from the Alchemist palette from Kat Von D, I used that green highlighter shade as my shade on the lid. For the inner corner, I went ahead with Scooch In. really pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and curl the lashes and put some mascara on, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are back. So I went ahead and curled my lashes and put some mascara on. I said in my last video that I've been loving this green mascara from L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Lash Mascara. So of course I use that today. Although once again, you can't even tell that it's green, but you know, it's something new, something different. And then for lip, I actually went ahead in with this Seraphine Guava Butter. It's a cream blush, but you can use it as a lipstick as well. So I went ahead with that. I thought that the peachiness would kind of play off of the like peachy terracotta shade in our crease. And then of course topped it off with a gloss. This is the Colourpop and Frozen 2 gloss in the shade Free Spirit. So this concludes our look, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think of it. I hope you love it as much as I do. Also, please leave your video suggestions down below. I would love to know what you want to see from me. I've been getting a lot of requests for hair related videos, so I will be putting out like an everyday hairstyles kind of video very shortly, so let me know if you would want to see that from me. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel down below as well. I post new videos here every Tuesday and Friday of the week, and I would love to have you here. Alright guys, so that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.